Stop scrolling, take a deep breath with me. Now, watch what happens when you let your hand move without thinking. Hi, I'm Sana. I'm certified art therapy practitioner, and today I'm showing you one of the easiest art therapy technique to calm your mind in just few minutes. No drawing skills, no rules, no colors. Line and shape only. So let's begin. Start by picking 2 or 3 colors that match your mood today. Don't overthink. Your body already knows what you need. What color are you choosing today? Tell me in the comment. I'm curious to know. Now go completely intuitive. Mix and match colors, random lines, random strokes. Play some music or just trust your intuition. Once you are done, now draw one wavy line across your page. This is your emotional river. I'm trying to follow the lines where the colors are intersecting, like it's more like they are meeting together, and I'm trying to divide them with a very solid black line. Keep watching, the magic happens when we repeat this line. So once I'm done with the first one, intuitively I just got the idea, let me do it again. And now after doing this line, you can also notice that it looks like a river. Before, there was no intentions of painting a river, but this is what happened when you do intuitively. Add more lines around the first one, like ripples spreading out. Let your hand move freely. This repetition quiets the nervous system. It's like exhaling on paper. Once you are done with your lines, now you can choose any shape, circle, or spirals and repeat it across the page. Or you can even just repeat the lines like how I'm doing it. I'll be using the same colors what I already use for my background. The only difference, I will be adding a little touch of white to make the color go in lighter tones, just to make it more visible. But this is, again, you can go with the contrasting colors. Right now it's a warm and cool color tones, but I'm trying to make my lines more into cool color tones. Do comment, are you adding some shapes or you like the idea of doing line? What shape do you always draw without thinking? Once I'm done with the repetitive lines, now it's time for me to change to a shape, and for me, circles are always the best. I am always drawn towards circles and spirals, so here I thought I'm going to add circles with warm colors like shade of reds but pink mixed with yellow and white. Don't restrict yourself to what I'm doing. In art therapy, I always encourage my clients to trust your intuition. If you're drawn towards collage, do collage. If you're drawn towards writing, do writing. Add newspapers, do stamping. Right now, I'm just in a mood to use acrylic paints instead of doing mixed media. So here I'm only using acrylic paints and playing with different shades by mixing them with white. Trust your intuition and enjoy the process more than thinking about your result. You can also join our cozy little artsy family through the link. The link is in description. It's on my website. It's easy to sign up and you can upload your work there. You can also join WhatsApp community, or you can share your work with me through Instagram. Tag me Art Therapy with Sana, and I would love to see your creation. Pause and look at your page. Every line and shape is a piece of your emotional map today. There is no right or wrong, only your truth in colors. This artwork started without any intention. It just started in between my class, one group to another, the gap in between. It was just 30 minutes. And I thought, let me open my journal and do something. The best thing, I opened my camera to record. So I'm sharing it with you. And I'm so glad that I did it because it turned out so well. And I feel so light after doing this. My mood changed. My class went so nice. And everyone was like, what did you eat today? You are in a good mood today. So I said, yes, I did some art therapy before my session. So here's the magic, and I hope you enjoy this cute little easy tutorial how you can deal with your stress and burnout within 30 minutes. If this helped you feel calmer, leave a comment, and if you want more easy art therapy videos, subscribe to my channel and join the family. I ask everybody what I should create for December, and everybody says something which is festive but emotional healing. So I'm working on it, and first video will be released on 1st December. Stay tuned. Till then, take care of yourself. Keep creating.